What's up, everybody? This is Tech G back with another wonderful slideshow to give you all some information about President Trump's Stargate AI project. So let's go ahead and get into it. Artificial intelligence. This has become a cornerstone of global technological innovation with the power to revolutionize industries and address humanity's most pressing challenges. And recently, the United States took a decisive step to secure its leadership in AI development with an unprecedented announcement by President Donald Trump. And at a recent White House event, Trump unveiled the Stargate initiative, which is a $500 billion investment into AI infrastructure and research in collaboration with industry giants like OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle. And this announcement, it signals a landmark moment in the U.S. technology sector with a focus on bolstering domestic AI capabilities, creating jobs, and advancing critical areas like healthcare and national security. So in this video, we're going to talk about the key details of the Stargate project, its potential impact, and what it means for the future of artificial intelligence. The Stargate initiative, which is spearheaded by OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle, this is set to inject up to $500 billion into AI infrastructure across the United States over the next decade. And according to Trump, this marks the single largest investment in AI in the U.S.'s history, with $100 billion slated for immediate deployment. And this project is not just about funding research. It's about building the physical and digital backbone that is needed to support cutting-edge AI technologies. And the plans include the construction of state-of-the-art data centers with a significant focus on Texas and the development of advanced AI models that are designed to address challenges across various industries. So during the announcement, Trump highlighted the strategic importance of this investment by stating that this is more than just about technology. It's about America leading the world in innovation, creating jobs for hardworking Americans, and ensuring our national security against growing threats. All right, so let's talk about the key players in all of this. So the Stargate initiative, it brings together 3 industry titans, each contributing unique expertise to the project. So the first industry leader is that of OpenAI. So as a leader in the generative AI and machine learning, OpenAI is at the forefront of developing transformative technologies like ChatGPT. And CEO Sam Altman, he emphasized the project's potential to revolutionize healthcare, particularly in disease detection and treatment. And he was quoted saying that AI will help us diagnose diseases earlier, develop targeted therapies, and improve outcomes for millions of patients. The next key player is that of SoftBank, and they are known for their visionary investments in technology. SoftBank brings financial muscle and long-term commitment to innovation. And its CEO, whose name is Masayoshi Son, I hope I pronounced that correctly, but CEO Son expressed confidence in AI's ability to tackle global challenges from climate change to energy efficiency. And then we have Oracle, and they are a leader in enterprise software and cloud computing. And Oracle's role in the initiative includes enhancing electronic health records and enabling personalized medicine. And Larry Ellison, who is the company's chairman, underscored the transformative potential of AI in the healthcare sector. All right, so let's talk about AI's role in healthcare innovation. So perhaps the most compelling aspect of the Stargate initiative is its focus on healthcare. The AI has already demonstrated its ability to improve diagnostics, streamline administrative tasks, and even predict patient outcomes. And the Stargate project aims to take these advancements to the next level. And Sam Altman, he highlighted several ways AI could revolutionize healthcare. So one way is through early detection of diseases. So AI algorithms, they can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and detect diseases like cancer at an early stage. There's personalized medicine. So by analyzing individual genetic data, AI can help create customized treatment plans, improving patient outcomes. And then there's streamlined operations. So AI can optimize hospital workflows, reducing costs and improving efficiency. And these advancements are not just theoretical. OpenAI's existing projects combined with Oracle's expertise in health data management make these goals achievable in the near future. All right, so let's get on to probably the most important part of all of this, and it is the economic impact that this is going to have. So, one of the most immediate benefits of the Stargate project is job creation. And the initiative is expected to generate over 100,000 new jobs, particularly in construction, engineering, and technology roles. And Trump describes this as a win win for the American people, combining economic growth with technological advancements. And Trump was also quoted as saying, from Texas to California, we're building the future, and this project will create opportunities for millions, from software engineers to construction workers. So the focus on Texas as a hub for data center development, this aligns with the state's growing reputation as a tech powerhouse. So with its business-friendly environment and access to renewable energy, Texas is an ideal location for the energy-intensive data centers required for AI operations. All right, next let's talk about the pros of Stargate on American jobs. And the first is that of job creation in tech and infrastructure. So, one of the most immediate benefits of the Stargate initiative is its promise to create over 100,000 new jobs, particularly in construction, engineering, and AI development. And the project emphasis on building data centers and advanced AI capabilities, this will generate a demand for construction workers to build state-of-the-art facilities, electrical and mechanical engineers to design and maintain data centers, and AI and software developers to create cutting-edge technologies. And these opportunities will provide well-paying jobs across a range of industries, benefiting both blue-collar and white-collar workers. Another positive attribute on American jobs would be boosting economic activity in these tech hubs. So states like Texas, which will host major data center developments, they stand to benefit from increased economic activity. This includes indirect job creation in local businesses such as restaurants, transportation, and retail, which will support the influx of workers and investments. Then there's upskilling and workforce development. So as AI technologies become integral to the economy, the Stargate initiative is likely to spur investments in education and training programs and collaborations with universities, community colleges, and vocational training centers. They could help workers develop the technical skills needed for AI-related roles, and programs that focus on coding, data analysis, and machine learning. This could empower a new generation of tech-savvy professionals. Some more positive attributes will be opportunities for startups and entrepreneurs. So the influx of funding and resources into AI, this may also create a fertile environment for startups and small businesses to thrive. So entrepreneurs, they could leverage the advantages made under Stargate to develop innovative products and services, contributing to job growth and emerging markets. And then there's strengthening national security and high-tech manufacturing. So AI development under Stargate is expected to enhance critical sectors such as cybersecurity, defense, and advanced manufacturing. And by bolstering these industries, the initiative could secure high-tech jobs that might otherwise migrate to international competitors. All right, so now that we got the pros out of the way, let's talk about the cons of Stargate on American jobs. And the first is that of automation and job displacement. So the rise of AI, this will inevitably bring concerns about automation replacing human workers in certain industries, and jobs that involve repetitive tasks such as manufacturing, logistics, and even customer service. They could face significant disruption as AI-powered systems and robots become more capable and cost-effective. So, for example, warehouse workers, they could be replaced by automated logistics systems. Customer service representatives might see reduced demand due to AI chatbots. And truck drivers and other transport workers, they could be impacted by autonomous vehicles. Another potential negative impact on American jobs is that of the skills gap and barriers to entry. So while the Stargate initiative emphasizes job creation, many of the roles it generates will require specialized skills in AI, machine learning, and data science. And workers without access to advanced education or training programs, they may struggle to transition into these new positions, exacerbating existing inequalities in the job market. And then there's geographic concentration of opportunities. So the focus on states like Texas and other tech hubs means that job opportunities may not be evenly distributed across the country, and rural areas and regions without a strong tech presence could miss out on the economic benefits of the Stargate project, further widening the urban-rural divide. Another potential con is that of short term versus long term job stability. So, while the construction phase of data centers and infrastructure will generate many jobs, these positions are often temporary. And once the facilities are built, long term employment opportunities may be limited, as data centers and AI systems often require fewer ongoing personnel due to their automated nature. And then we have ethical and regulatory concerns. So, AI's impact on employment. This also raises questions about how to regulate workforce displacement. And without clear policies to manage transitions for affected workers, the Stargate initiative could leave many without viable career paths. And critics, they argue that the project should prioritize not just job creation, but also long term workforce sustainability. All right, so let's talk about how these challenges can possibly be mitigated. So, to maximize the benefits of the Stargate initiative while addressing its potential downsides, policymakers and stakeholders, they should take proactive steps such as investing in reskilling programs to where they can expand access to training in AI related fields, particularly for workers in industries that are vulnerable to automation. They should be promoting geographic inclusivity, so they want to ensure that job opportunities can extend to underserved regions through incentives for rural investments and remote work options. There's also supporting transition programs, so they should be able to provide unemployment benefits, job placement services, and retraining for workers that are displaced by automation. They should be establishing ethical AI policies, so they want to regulate the adoption of AI to prevent misuse and ensure that human labor is not undervalued in the rush towards automation. And they should be fostering public and private partnerships, so they should encourage collaboration between government, industry, and educational institutions to align the workforce development with industry needs. All right, so moving on, let's talk about the competition with China. So, a recurring theme in Trump's speech was the importance of maintaining America's technological edge over global competitors, in particular China. And he was quoted as saying that we can't afford to fall behind because China is investing billions in AI, and we need to ensure that America remains the leader in innovation. And when it comes to China has made significant strides in AI with state backed investments and rapid adoption of AI technologies in industries ranging from manufacturing to surveillance. And the Stargate initiative, this represents a direct response to this challenge, aiming to solidify the U.S. position as a global leader in AI research and development. All right, and next, let's talk about Trump's emergency orders. So, to expedite the development of AI infrastructure, Trump announced plans to issue emergency orders that are aimed at streamlining regulatory approvals. And this includes fast tracking permits for data center construction and providing tax incentives for companies that are involved in the project. And Trump was quoted as saying that these emergency orders are about cutting through the red tape, and we need to move fast to stay ahead of the competition. Now, critics, however, they have raised concerns about the potential environmental impact of large-scale data centers, which require significant energy resources. And Trump addressed these concerns by emphasizing the use of renewable energy sources and energy-efficient designs. So let's talk about addressing some challenges and ethical concerns. So while the Stargate initiative is undoubtedly ambitious, it also raises important questions about the ethical implications of the AI, and issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement are top of the mind for policymakers and industry leaders alike. And to address these concerns, the Stargate project includes funding for research on ethical AI development. And this includes ensuring transparency in AI algorithms, protecting user data, and creating safeguards against misuse. And Trump is quoted as saying, we're not just building AI for the sake of it. He says we're building AI that is ethical, responsible, and beneficial to all Americans. Now let's quickly talk about a vision for the future. So the Stargate initiative, this is more than just an investment in technology. It's a vision for the future of the United States. And by combining the expertise of industry leaders with unprecedented levels of funding, the project aims to position the U.S. as the global leader in AI innovation. From healthcare to national security, the potential applications of AI are virtually limitless. And as Trump concluded his speech, he left the audience with a bold prediction by stating that the Stargate project will not only transform our economy, but it'll essentially transform the world. So to wrap all of this information up, the announcement of the Stargate initiative, this marks a turning point in the US's approach to AI development. With $500 billion in planned investments, the project promises to revolutionize industries, create jobs, and secure America's leadership in the global AI race. Now, while challenges remain, the commitment to ethical AI development and renewable energy solutions demonstrates a forward-thinking approach. And as the Stargate project unfolds, it will be fascinating to see how it shapes the future of technology and society.